Okay, we're gonna go in the exit. Exit only. There's the bathhouse. This is the KOA Campground. Looks like overflow storage for boat trailers. Skydiver airplane over me. Gotta watch out for the truck. I suppose I'm probably going the wrong way. No, I guess they're two-way. Looks like a lot of folks are here for a while. 1011 would be a cool one. Any one of these would be awesome. Definitely not gonna tie your boat by your camper though, unless you like it bouncing off of rocks. Coming soon, Vacation Suites. There's the slips. I don't know how much they get for slips, but they rent them out here, it says. At fish cleaning. Marina store hours, 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Nice pontoon boat, 300 ponies there. They got a slide or something out there. It's pretty cool. This is where Kevin should stay. Got all them rental pedal cars that Crystal said we can't ride. What was that? Oh, that's bocce ball up there. Bocce ball swimming pool. That's pretty cool. No doubt. This is cool. I'd pick that one right there. Look at the nice fire pits. Not that I don't like fires anyway, but they do have some awful nice fire pits. Check them out. Chairs. Oh yeah, this is definitely a premium resort. Yeah. Yep, I'm gonna go down every street just because I can. These are the pull-throughs for the motorhomes. Nice ones. They actually have quite a bit of room in here, don't they? Quite a bit of room. Yeah, so that's the pool and the general store. Looks like a restaurant / bar. Kind of surprised they're not filled to capacity. It is. Yep, we got 2 more and then that's it. That's all there is. Hey, look at this guy's. He's got a flagpole on his motorhome. That's actually pretty cool. I'll be darned. Can we get one? We can? All right. There's something we can get. Okay, this is, oh, there's 2 more streets. There's this one plus 1 more. I like that Freightliner there. Okay. Oh, that's right. I thought it was all one building.
No, it's 2.
Okay, we're gonna hang a left, then we're gonna come back down this exact same street. Or no. Let's. Yep, hang it left here. Left.
This is the new shower house. That's a nice place. Look at that Monaco.
Yep, that's pretty darn cool. Wildwood with the awning topper.
Okay, so
Where do you want to go, right?
the other motel's over there.
Yeah, let's go right. And then we'll go left. I can tell you, I like that guy's tent. As you get towards dusk, it would be no-see-em territory for certain. Yeah, these are pretty cool. They are. I gotta fly my drone out there over the water looking both ways. Yep, maybe get a shot of the people playing.
See the new one they're putting up there?
Yep, that's where we're going past now.
Alright.
Yep, Vacation Suites. Follow us on Facebook, Destination Everywhere. That was in that motorhome, hun. You think anybody would want to follow me? Oh yeah, they got a bunch of shells there, boy. They had some shells now. Ohio. Okay, we're gonna go past one more thing. This is the entrance. This is the other place. Then we're out of here. Then we're out of here, back wherever we're going. Yes, they did. Exit only.
Look at all the trees are from.
Yeah, you're doing a nice job. I'm gonna kill this video. Wonder if they got a brochure. I'm gonna go ask them for one.